Hey everyone, just want to show you another cool feature inside of Zotero that I think will help you along as you process through your dissertation. One of the things that I think is relevant that you need to understand is the lowering of the cognitive load on your mind will be helpful in discerning your research or going through the different elements of your articles, writing, things of that nature, especially if you're working with a reference manager like Zotero. And what I mean by that is I don't want to have to remember or do certain things that create additional steps for me. So, for instance, if I want to copy a reference from one of my articles that I've clipped into my reference manager, one of the easier ways to do it, or one of the, I would say maybe the mainstream ways of doing it, is go to the reference, click on it, or right click on it, say create bibliography from item, set up your appropriate citation style, and select if you want a citation or if you want a bibliography. In this case, I'm talking about inline citations, and then select the output method, copy to clipboard. Once you do all of these elements, this will stay set inside of Zotero. The first time you open up Zotero and utilize it, you will have to set this, but each subsequent time you will not have to set this. However, when it comes to clipping the article or clipping the citation or generating a citation that you can then use in line, you will have to each time come to your article, right click, create bibliography. Remember, all these things will be set after the first time you set it. Then click OK. When you click OK, it copies that reference to your clipboard, to which you can then go to another study or to a page and then paste it in there. So, why do I bring this up? That takes a lot of work, in my opinion. What I'm encouraging you to do is to remember or get used to utilizing your keyboard shortcuts. And so how do I gather this reference without right-clicking with my mouse and only using my keyboard? Well, I can, generally on the menu bar, when you select an item, it will show you the appropriate keystrokes for your keyboard in order to utilize that feature. So in this case, I want to copy a citation. It tells me here that I have to hit the Shift key plus the Apple key plus the letter A. So instead of right clicking, going here, just second step, third step, fourth step, in order to get a citation, now I can do it in one keystroke. So if I take this one, I hold down the Command Shift A, it copies. I go to my screen, paste it, and there you have it. So again, in order to see the keyboard shortcuts, most times on the menu, if you click an item, it will show you the keyboard shortcut if there is one associated with it. So it's copy citation. I hit the Shift key, Apple key, and the letter A. 3 characters. Easy. It's easy to remember as you do it. If I want to do the whole bibliography, it's the Shift key, Apple key, the letter C, and I'll show you that real quick, how that works. I'm doing the bibliography now, and there you have it.